Hi. Okay, we're all stuck inside, we're all isolating, and more than likely you're going to get some overripe bananas. And I want you to go ahead and plan on making a wonderful banana bread. In the comments below, I will put the recipe in the description below the video, and that way you guys can have the exact ingredients, but it's only shortening, a salt, baking soda, overripe bananas, and flour, all-purpose flour. So that's it, guys. I'll go ahead and I'll leave the recipe in the description. And I smushed it. It was really, really warm, and I didn't use a bread knife. It smelled so good. But guys, it was so quick, so easy, and it was a nice way to get ready and finish using the bananas that we don't eat when they get a little too ripe. So I left them for a couple of days, and then I used them in the banana bread, and the house smells wonderful, and the bread tastes wonderful, and it's such a quick, easy, and there's not a lot of recipes to it. I have an egg allergy, so there's no egg in it. I actually got this from allrecipes.com. It is not my own personal, but guys, it's amazing. So I'll leave the recipe for you. I hope you like this. Hit like, hit subscribe. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.